It's happening. The forces that disrupted the music industry and publishing are transforming healthcare. Digital tools are changing the way people think. They're demanding convenience, and they expect privacy. But without consistent engagement, chronic conditions can become crises, resulting in expensive hospital care.
Here's why meaningful engagement is really critical. If you're not, as a consumer, being what they call compliant in the healthcare industry in terms of you're taking your meds, you're going to see your primary care provider for checkups, your health will decline, and oh, by the way, your health will get more and more expensive.
As a healthcare executive, you're focused on outcomes you control. You know that when you improve patient engagement, you can improve their outcomes and your bottom line. You need an engagement platform you control that facilitates real-time patient-provider collaboration. It must be secure, private, personal, collaborative, and convenient. Engage your patients with 3PHealth Choice.
Choice is unique in that it's a highly adaptable app. In fact, it can be personalized for every single user, including both patients and providers. And when you have that level of personalization, you build trust. And with that trust comes greater engagement. And when patients engage in their health, it reduces the cost of chronic care management.
Choice extends the private doctor-patient relationship to a mobile platform you control that's collaborative, adaptive, and easy to personalize.
I have to tell you, there is nothing more powerful than seeing those menus that are personalized for you. It knows who you are. And it's built with all the trust and the privacy and the control and the ultimate convenience right there in your hand. And for the provider, the ability to personalize that information right down to my condition, it's unheard of power in a mobile phone, and yet we're delivering it with the scalability of the internet.
Choice is frictionless, using web standards to integrate patient-generated data seamlessly with your existing knowledge bases.
The idea behind Choice being frictionless was to make integration simple. Change is very difficult, and it's very difficult to get network admins to install new technologies, even if they're forced to by senior executives.
You can actually change things on the server, and the app adapts.
Choice is responsive to your evolving business needs. For the first time ever, you're in control of the platform, innovation timeline, and profitability.
When a provider is in control of their platform, they're in control of their destiny.
You roll out new services, new initiatives at your pace, and ones that are usable for your consumers, your patients, your members, and also profitable for you.
Healthcare providers have a passion, a drive for making people better. But we won't have the choices that we have today. We will not have the quality of care that we have today if we can't really grab a hold of this notion of innovation and then executing, implementing in the market against that innovation.
Data is the key to unlocking good health.
The healthcare industry is changing. You can't stop the change, but you can shape it to your advantage. Give your patients access to the tools and information they need to stay engaged. Support their health and your bottom line. Give them choice.